I touch the ache I used to hide, a quiet pain I kept inside. But now the tide begins to flow, washing through what I outgrow. No need to run, no need to fight. The wound becomes a source of light. Healing waters, soft and slow, carrying truth where I need to go. I breathe it in, I let it rise, grace in the tears I no longer disguise. I found my voice in a broken song, a place where all the hurt belongs. Now every line becomes release, each word a step toward inner peace. Through art, through silence, I repair the parts of me I didn't dare. And in your gaze I see my own, two hearts healing what we've known. Healing waters, soft and slow, carrying truth where I need to go. I breathe it in, I let it rise, grace in the tears I no longer disguise. The past dissolves in sacred streams, leaving space for lighter dreams. Healing waters calm